am sharing with you my morning/self-love routine for 2019. I've done morning routine videos in the past, but I haven't focused on self-love and just taking time for yourself to recharge. And I think it's so important, especially if you're a busy person, you have a lot going on, a busy mom, working and doing a bunch of things at one time. It's good to just take a few minutes to yourself. Special thanks to Caress for sponsoring this video. I don't do this often, but I sometimes make the bed. Just makes me feel like it's a little bit put together and my life is on the right track for the day when everything's nice and neat. If you're running on a tight schedule in the morning and don't have much time for yourself, I wanted to include this quick tip for you all to meditate for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And what I like to do during these types of mornings is listen to a guided meditation YouTube video or listen to calming music, and that really helps clear my head for the rest of the day, and I can get out the door and the day just flows so much easier. After I'm done with that, then I can get ready for the day and I'll wash my face, brush my teeth. No matter what routine, that stays the same every morning. If you have a little more time for self-love in the morning, my second tip is to light a candle. I love scents in the bathroom. Taking a shower or taking a bath is always so relaxing to me, and what I'll do is put on some meditation. Listening to calming sounds and the light of the candle in the morning just makes my day that much better. And another huge tip is just take the longest steamy bath that you can possibly take. When I take showers, I have the most creative ideas and I really recharge in this moment because it's the one time where you're just truly focused on yourself. The best part of the shower is washing my body with something that smells amazing. I love the Caress Evenly Gorgeous. It is an exfoliator and it smells like heaven. The scent alone just leaves me feeling more relaxed, more inspired, creative, and centered. The delicate scent and the lush lather mixed together, helping my skin feel softer and smoother, just makes the whole experience that much more amazing. It allows me to immerse myself into this moment and connect with myself. It is the best ever. And here I am just standing in the shower with the hot water hitting my back. I stand here for about a good 30 minutes. I swear the best ideas come from the shower. Once I get out of the shower, another important part of the day and really loving yourself is to get ready. Brush your hair, put on your makeup. I like to moisturize my skin before I do anything because really nice hydrated skin preps your whole makeup routine. It'll make you feel better about your skin. It'll make your makeup look better, and it's just a really important part. So I put on some concealer, do my brows, put on a little bit of lip gloss and some mascara, and that is like my everyday kind of a look. But this is basically my beauty routine for the morning, like an everyday beauty routine. And I'll also always put on some type of perfume for the day and some earrings. After that, I head to my closet and change for the day. Now it's time for breakfast, and everyone say hi to Mochi. He loves the attention. And this morning, Caesar had made breakfast tacos for everybody. He is an awesome cook. And then we'll just have our time where we just talk and catch up before everybody leaves for the rest of the day. After breakfast, then we head out to walk Jaden to school. I normally do not wear these heels when I walk him to school. I just happen to be there for the outfit, but I'll usually wear just like some regular tennis shoes. But then we head out for the day and he just walks to school because it's super close. I walk him and then I come back, and this is another moment where I take time for myself. I'll come back and I'll make a latte. You guys know I love my lattes. I have an amazing espresso machine and it makes all the fluffy coffees. It's amazing. And then I will get a book, sit in my little corner, and I'll read for just a little bit before I start checking social media or do anything like that, just so that I have a clear head and a clear mind for the rest of the day. I hope you guys took some tips and tricks from this video on how to really take time for yourself and recharge. Taking time for ourselves is something we should make a priority in our lives so that we can live long, healthy, successful lifestyles. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.